What's up, guys? This is Ray J. Please know that I am not a financial planner. So, heading into tomorrow, it's going to be Thursday. I just want to give you guys a very, very quick reminder that we have the PPI report coming out. 1 hour for market open at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. PPI is going to give us a good understanding of what wholesale or producer inflation is looking like. We just got the CPI report that was decent, so hopefully the numbers are also decent for PPI. But if you're holding anything overnight, be careful. Tesla, we're going to be watching to see if we could break past resistance at this 250 area to push for 262, or if we end up losing 240 to start dipping back down. Hopefully, we see a break to the upside. On SPY, we're eyeing this possible inverse head and shoulders, break 565 and we're bullish, lose 560. And if we can't break above that, right, we're currently testing that, then we could be dipping back down to the lows again. If we can't hold above 560, we'd be looking for a move back down to like 552 or below. So keep that in mind. For the QQQ, you want to break past 480s to remain bullish. If we fail, we end up losing 470, we could turn back down to the lows, so be careful. We'll see if the inverse head and shoulders plays out. Same thing with the IWM, but we'll see if we break 204 or not. If we lose 202, we could turn back down. And if we can't get back above 200, we're going to be continuing to fall. So we're range bound for the markets. We're waiting to see which way we're going to break. Same thing with ES. We're trying to form a base. If we could hold our lower yellow trend line, you guys can see it right over here. This could try to get back above 56.80s to remain bullish. If we end up losing 55.50, we could turn back down. But overall, there is a potential inverse head and shoulders, and this could end up changing directions. NQ also is trying to make higher lows. I want to see it break past 19,800 to 20,000 to really start going. If we lose 19,400, we would turn back down, so give this some time as well. For Bitcoin, we had a nice accumulation right over here. If we had broken past 84,000, we're looking for a pump for 87,000. If we end up losing 80,000, we're turning back down. So we have this inverse head and shoulders, so just keep that in mind. For Nvda, we are kind of shuffling right here at 115. If that breaks, we're looking for 117 plus. And then if 120 breaks, we're looking for a bigger pump. If we end up losing 111, we could be turning back down. So we're making higher lows here. So this could be pushing back up to about that 118 to 120 area. For Tesla, like I said before, we'll see if this thing could break resistance around this 250 zone going into tomorrow. Apple is still kind of weak right now. We have to see if it can hold right over here at 215. We have a bullish divergence, but I want to see it get back above 220 to bounce. So give it some time. Coinbase making higher lows. We want to see this thing get back above 200 to fill the gap above around 210. Otherwise, we're just consolidating. Amazon also has a nice accumulation right over here. We need to see this thing break 200. If that breaks, looking for 202 as our potential target. Meta is looking quite decent. Let's see if this can break 623 tomorrow to push more. Microsoft is kind of flat here. I want to see it break 387 to push. Same thing with Google. Break past 170.5 and we're looking for a bigger push. So we'll see how the market ends up doing. The VIX is starting to dip to fill these gaps, so that could be a good sign, but the market has not gotten a big bounce yet. We're just kind of consolidating at the ranges that we are in, so just keep that in mind. And as far as Tesla and the others go, we are still, once again, kind of stuck. So we'll give this some time to develop. I thank you all so much for listening, so please have a good rest of your day. I'm just here to give you guys a very, very quick warning. So heed my warnings, and we'll see how things end up going. Thank you for listening, and peace out.